بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ عزیز طلبہ و طالبات، السلام علیکم۔ آج کا لیکچر شروع کرتے ہیں۔ آج ہمارا ٹاپک ہے لائف ان آ بگ سٹی ایسے۔ سب سے پہلے اس کی ریڈنگ کرتے ہیں۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈنٹس، اگر آپ اس ایسے کو ڈاکیومنٹ کی صورت میں دیکھنا چاہیں یا کاپی کرنا چاہیں تو نیچے ڈسکرپشن میں اس کا لنک موجود ہے۔ Life in a big city. A big city means a large city where a large number of people live together. Life in a big city has advantages as well as disadvantages. Let us begin with its advantages first. Advantages of city life. In a big city, there are many exciting things to do. A big city has numerous opportunities to earn a lot of money. Due to abundance of wealth, resources and economic activities, there are better chances for a man to earn and to rise in life. In a big city, there are several spots for enjoyment and entertainment. According to economic experts, one should live in the capital of a country or in a metropolitan city. This is essential for his overall growth and progress. It will provide him with better opportunities to grow in life. The famous modern poet and critic Ezra Pound says, "All great art is born of the metropolis." Life in a big city is a mixed blessing. It is altogether different from life in a village. England's great poet and translator William Cowper says, "God made the country and man made the town. Therefore the city is man-made." All the things made by man have advantages as well as disadvantages. Life in a big city is active, exciting, and full of hustle and bustle. People have no time to take a rest. They are always busy. They seem to be in a constant hurry. Anyhow, a big city has a lot of opportunities. It is the hub of business, education, medical facilities, and recreation. In a big city, there are great chances of employment. There are a large number of firms, factories, government, and private institutes. People can easily find jobs according to their taste and qualification. In a big city, there are elegant and crowded shops and markets. They usually remain open till late at night. People can buy almost all types of things from here. There are skyscrapers, vast and beautiful roads, crowded bazaars, educational institutes, and government offices. In a big city, the broad and clean roads present a beautiful scene. The swift and easy traffic is always available. In a big city, the population increases during the daytime. Shopkeepers, students, government employees, farmers, etc., staying in nearby areas come to the big city in the morning. They remain busy performing their tasks. Activities of daily life start early in the morning. First of all, streets and roads are crowded with school, college boys and girls. Wearing their particular uniforms, they are going to their institutions. Some are moving on scooters, bikes or auto rickshaws. Some are walking or waiting for their buses on the roads. Laborers or office workers are also on their way to work. A big city has many educational facilities. There are technical, medical, law and engineering colleges. There are institutes of graphic designing and fashion designing, etc. There are many universities also to fulfill the needs of higher education. Hence, the people in a big city are well educated and more qualified. In a big city, there are many hospitals. They are furnished with the necessary medical facilities. All types of operations or tests can be carried out under one roof. People can easily get their near and dear ones cured and treated. There are many forms of entertainment in a big city. There are several cinemas and theaters. People can enjoy some movie or watch a stage drama according to their taste. There are many parks and gardens as well. The public visits these parks and enjoys itself a lot. In a big city, people can also enjoy a variety of foods from various hotels and restaurants. Disadvantages of city life. Russian-American poet and writer Joseph Brodsky says, "What I like about cities is that everything is king size, the beauty and the ugliness." Despite all the benefits, there are some demerits of city life also. First of all, there is the problem of pollution. A big city is full of smoke, dust and garbage. A big city has a great problem of noise pollution. The industrial waste has polluted the water also. It is full of germs of dangerous diseases like hepatitis. Food items like milk and meat are not always pure. So, overall, the atmosphere has become polluted in a big city. The English painter and author Desmond Morris writes, "The city is not a concrete jungle, it is a human zoo." People are over busy here. Even the neighbors of long years don't know one another. Life has become very costly. Dearness is the order of the day. The gap between the rich and the poor is increasing. It has added to the hardships of the people. Conclusion. In the end, we can say that life in a big city has its advantages as well as disadvantages. However, it is a fact that nothing in this world is good in every respect. Everything has its merits and demerits. Therefore, one can decide to choose his place of residence according to his wishes and plans. Dear students, इसके साथ ही हमारा ये लेक्चर अपने इख्तिताम को पहुंचा। अगर आप इस लेक्चर को डॉक्यूमेंट की शक्ल में देखना चाहते हैं तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका लिंक मौजूद है। इजाज़त दीजिए। फ़ी मानिल्लाह। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।